Hello, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to another episode of Case Brief, brought to you by the Missouri Sheriff's Association. Before we get started, I want to remind everyone that this information is for training purposes only and in no way is to be considered legal advice. Today, we focus on an 8th Circuit Court of Appeals case involving suspicious activity. Our goal is to provide a clear understanding of how such cases unfold. Remember, this content is educational and not legal advice. So, let's dive into the details. During a police surveillance operation, officers noticed suspicious behavior from Maluoth. This led to a traffic stop where a significant discovery was made. Under the front passenger seat, where Maluoth was sitting, officers found a loaded Glock handgun. The gun had been modified to function as a machine gun. Maluoth denied any knowledge of the gun, claiming he was searching for a lighter and cigarettes. The jury convicted Maluoth of unlawful possession of a machine gun. The evidence presented during the trial played a crucial role in this verdict. Maluoth's denial was not enough to sway the jury. His movements and the location of the firearm contributed significantly to the decision. Ultimately, the jury found him guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. The United States District Court for the District of Nebraska sentenced Maluoth to 70 months in prison. This sentence was an upward variance from the advisory guidelines of 41 to 51 months. The court considered several factors in its decision. These included the obliterated serial number on the firearm and Maluoth's history of obstructing justice. The court found these factors warranted a longer sentence. Maluoth appealed the conviction and sentence, challenging the sufficiency of the evidence. He argued that the sentence was substantively unreasonable. The case was reviewed by the United States Court of Appeals for the 8th Circuit. The appellate court examined the evidence and sentencing factors. Their task was to determine if the district court had abused its discretion. The Court of Appeals held that the evidence was sufficient for a reasonable jury to convict Maluoth. They noted that his movements and the location of the firearm supported the jury's verdict. Regarding the sentence, the appellate court found no abuse of discretion by the district court. The obliterated serial number and criminal history were properly considered. The appellate court affirmed the district court's judgment. In conclusion, the appellate court upheld the conviction and sentence of Maluoth. The decision highlighted the importance of the evidence and the factors considered in sentencing. The court's ruling emphasized the legal standards applied in such cases. Maluoth's appeal did not succeed in altering the outcome. The case serves as a significant example of the judicial process. Thank you for joining us. We hope this brief provided valuable insights into suspicious behavior and traffic stop procedures. Stay tuned for more episodes of Case Brief brought to you by the Missouri Sheriff's Association. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe today.